Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. To start off, we'll take a look at the upper level wind profile from the balloon launch earlier this morning. As we can see here, the winds begin more easterly and sharply veer to a more west-southwesterly heading throughout the column. Winds near the 1,000 foot mark remain rather tame and gradually increase to an indicated max of 50 knots around 25,000 feet, with a freezing level sitting around 11,800 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis here, we have a low pressure system currently moving across the southeastern portion of the state, and that is contributing to active weather in our area due to modest lift and an influx of warm, moist air. And as the day progresses, this system is expected to pass just south of our location here on the shore, which should contribute to gradually decreasing precipitation chances throughout the day. In its wake, especially after the 2 to 4 o'clock mark, in its wake, another system will quickly follow, bringing another round of unsettled weather, primarily expected late Thursday. This next event will occur as a low drifts through our neck of the woods and up the northeastern coast, bringing that associated cold front through the region, providing lift necessary for additional precipitation. And once both low pressure systems move out, high pressure should dominate and build in, bringing clearing skies and a couple of pleasant yet cooler days before another low tracks across the plains and Midwest, eventually reaching our area and introducing some renewed chances of rain Tuesday. Taking a look at the 24-hour risk, it remains unchanged from this morning. Chance of precip early is high, along with a rumble of thunder being present and winds exceeding 25 knots. That has already happened, and a wind advisory has already been issued. Precip chances do diminish towards the later afternoon, and lower cloud decks should form shortly thereafter into the morning hours tomorrow. The terminal forecast here does indicate this. It shows our rain probability slowly diminishing and the cloud decks coming down to the 500-foot mark or below. Moving on to the short-term weather board, again unchanged from this morning. Thursday we can expect partly to mostly cloudy conditions with a chance of an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon or evening hours with a high of 72. Thursday night, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a shower or a thunderstorm and a low of 59. And Friday, mostly cloudy, turning partly cloudy in the afternoon, evening hours with a high of 70. And finally, taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, we do have those potential shower and thunderstorm chances indicated for Thursday night into the early hours of Friday, followed by those clearing skies as mentioned before, and then ultimately the clouds build back in and our rain chances do return come Tuesday, where we have a 60% chance of rain. This weekend for the holiday, slightly cooler temperatures, but generally pretty nice, and that is going to conclude our 7-day forecast. I will be back tomorrow at 8:15.